Hello, EP4. I want you to learn more about computer because I have found out that many of you don't know how to use a keyboard. You know that? You don't know how to use a keyboard. You don't know how to use your mouse. Very easy. This is click, right click, click, right click, right click, or double click. All right. Also, I want you to see this. Let me show you my screen. Okay. Look, I want you to follow my instructions all the time. Okay. EP4. Because if you don't follow my instructions all the time, you will just be wasting your time and effort. All right. When I say open this file, just follow it. Turn on, just follow it. Turn off, just follow it. Eyes on screen, just follow it. All right. I also have found out that you don't know how to create a file and save it. For example, go to this here. This is your file explorer. Okay. You see that? If you hover your mouse pointer right at the bottom, you will see File Explorer, and you click it. With this one, click it. This one will show up. All right. Let's maximize it. Okay. And then you see right here, the blank right here. This is a quick access part. If you just show here, for example, at the left top corner, you will see view. You can view the tiles. This is what it looks like. You can view the details. This is what it looks like. You have the date and type folder. You can even add more. Just right click, right click right here, right click. You see, you can add date created, authors, tags, titles, status, and even more. It's up to you. Whatever you need, you can add more details to it. Okay. So for example, after this, you go to this PC and you see drive C, OS Windows, and drive D, data, and you have the DVD, RW, drive E. This is drive E. I want you to save your data here. I want you to create a file and save here the data. You can either double click this one, double click, look at this, double click, all right? Or you can just click it and right click and open. Or you can just use the left column right here. Just click it. It will show all the folders and the files. So what I want you to do is click at this white part, click, and then right click. You will see here, go to the create a folder, click folder, and then you rename. If you haven't done E, capital, shift, big letter E, okay? Shift right here, the keyboard, shift, and then big letter E, and then big letter P. I mean shift and hold it, and then you add 4. And then you can enter. Oh, the file is already there. There's no need. But if you don't have it yet, then you can just say, click yes. So since the file EP4 is already here, you can just double click it or click and right click to open. Takes a longer time. Double click is easier. Click, click, double click. All right. So you have here, for example, my name is Somchai Onda. I can rename it. I'll make it like 0, then Rolly, then Obediencio. All right. I want you to use the number of your computer. If your computer's number is 1, then 1, then dot, then space. This is space. Okay. And then you write your name in big letter, shift plus capital letter, and then your name and space and your capital letter of your family name. All right. For example, now we will go to the Chrome. Example, you can open Chrome here. At the left bottom corner, you see the Chrome browser, okay? And you click the Chrome browser, it leads you to this one. For example, you're right here in a new tab. Okay, look, I like to use new incognito window. All right. Okay, let me just minimize this one. You see that incognito at the right top corner? You see incognito. You can use new incognito window or new window or new incognito tab. I like to use new incognito window. This is how it looks like. So you can type today, for example, all right. Let's use number 3. Learn how to use your keyboard and typing. So you can, from switching tab, you see that switching tab? I'll show you on my screen here. I'll make it big for you. All right. In switching tab, you use Alt, Delete. Okay. And if you press that, it will switch. See that? It will switch. Huh? Okay. Alt tab. It will switch. So I want you to learn how to use your keyboard, and I want you to know how to type. So for example, we will write here, typing club.com. All right. You will see here, learn touch typing. Okay, get started. In get started, you can use any of the exercises. Example here. Okay. Let's start with this lesson. Because you know the introduction already. Let's go to lesson 2. Keys F and J. And you right here, are you sure? Okay. And right here, you position your finger. You see here at the F, A, S, D, F. So you touch this part of your palm on the table. All right. Okay, so this is the position of your hands with the fingers. A, S, D, D, F. So here, F, F, F. This part is all X. And also for this left pointer finger, also you use G, and this bottom here, this must be V, right? And here also, this must be T. Also here up, that is the one. And for your right fingers, you have J. All the J's here and H here are for that right pointing finger. And you have the K all here and J all here and the index finger. Okay. So let's use type F. All right. And then now that it shows type J. And good job. And next we will practice F and J. So you click continue and then you type F, 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 J, 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 F, 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 J, J, and then J, J, F, F, J, J, F, and then F, J, J, F, J, F, J, and then J, F, J, F. All right. Now you see, I think this is good. Oh, what is happening? All right, there's a problem with the connection. Let me see if there is any connection. Ah, all right, there is connection, but it's not moving. Okay, because I need to teach you how to save your work on Paint. All right, okay, it's not moving right now. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, just in case you want to save your screen, then use the print screen, PRT here, print screen. Okay, you see that one? The PRT on print screen. This one, okay? Now let me remove to you my background so you can easily see whatever I am showing. All right, let me remove it. Okay, there it is. So here on your keyboard, you will see in here, this is the print screen. I'll do like this. Now you can see it now. Where is the print screen? Is it here? Yeah. So this PRT SC. All right. Keyboard here, PRT SC. So you copy that one and you go to the bottom of this taskbar. You can either click that one or search for a program. Now, the better way of doing it is you can just go to this Windows sign here at the start, and then you look for Paint. The Paint, you know, app. You see it? Paint 3D. Or you can just click here and type here, search, and type Paint, P-A-I-N-T. Okay, that shows up. All right, in here, do you remember? Oh, it doesn't show up, sorry. Okay, again, let me show you my screen. Repeat. All right. In the search corner right here at the bottom left bottom corner, you can type P-A-I-N-T. And so this app shows up here. And so because you want to save your work, and here by pressing print screen, okay, print screen, then right here on the Paint, you can use File. It doesn't show up here first, before that, at the top left corner. Oh, it doesn't show up. Use Home. Yeah, you have the Paste. Paste is also another name for paste is called Control V. You see that? Control V? Oh, I like to use Control V for faster. Okay, Control V. Now you have it already. You can save your work. And then you go to the file, and then save. Now look at here, the quick access window right here. You have this PC data and rolling. but I want you to go to EP4. This is EP4. Okay. Now you are inside EP4. You can type. If the name of your computer is 1, you type 1. Now I'm using 0. So 0, Rolly. All right. Okay. I can use the existing name, but the extension is TXT. You can click, change the TXT into this type. You can click here, PNG. All right. And use the save because it will automatically save because it's in the PNG format already. All right. But then you can type also, it's typing club. You can add something. For example, this is lesson review. All right. And you can click save. There you go. Your file is saved. If you go to Alt Tab again, Alt Tab, Alt Tab, Alt Tab. All right. I'll show you. Alt Tab here. Alt Tab to change to another application or program. Alt and press, and then another here, tab, Alt Tab, okay? You can change from one software to another using Alt Tab, and that's very easy to do. All right, so, okay, let's use this and go to the where? To save this one, if you go to the file manager, this is the file manager. You see you have 2 files at EP4 that I placed. My file here, which is type of file text document, and the other one is photo PNG file. Okay, I think you know already how to save, right? Let's go a little bit further by typing here. Seems like there is a problem right here. Go to the here. I don't know what seems to be the problem. You just click at us here at the top. Give us what to do on play. Going back to F and then J and then, okay, good job. If you want to save that, for example, print screen, okay? And then go to the here and go file and new and Control V. It shows up. You can save that. You can just save the file, save. And I can use Rolly. Okay, but change here, put the cursor here. I just say, good job, F and J. All right, I can change that one to lesson. Good job. With F and J. Okay, that is already saved. This is the file. You can open another one into new. That is how it looks. And if you click continue, you can type again F, 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 J, 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 F, 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 J, 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 F, F, J, J, F, F, J, J, F, J, F, J, J, F, J, F. All right, very good. Good job. So you can save it if you want, or you can proceed further. Click here at the right, press enter. You can press enter or click. That's okay. Now I just click enter. And so right now we can go further with the F, space. Remember to use space, either your right thumb. I like to use my left thumb. Space. F. He likes to use right thumb. Okay, I'm following right thumb. J. Space, but he likes to use right thumb. All right. F. space, F space. All right. J space, J space, F. J space, F space, F space, J. Good job. It says here, good job. You can proceed further if you don't want to save. Press enter again. And so you will have more. F space, or made a mistake, space, J space, F space, J space, F space, J space, FJ space, FJ space, JJ, F space, FJ space, F, or made a mistake, FF space, JJ space, FF J, oh, made a mistake, space, JJ F space, F J space, FF F J space, J F space, FF J space, F. Okay, made a mistake. F space, J space, F. All right. Okay, your score, for example, you got 95% real accuracy, and you have duration of 1 minute and 9 seconds. Your new score, new high score is 1,170, and your word per minute, your speed, 13 words per minute. And you want to save that again? Then what should you do? I told you already, you go to print screen. Here, print screen. Okay, on your print screen right here, print screen. See that? Here, print screen, PRT space SC. Now you go to Alt Tab again, Alt Tab. You go to this pane, and then Control V. That is to paste. Now you have it already, and then save it. Go to File, Save, and then rename. Okay, example here, you have 0.rolly, obedient show, and this one, drag it down. Okay, the name is Lesson 4 Review. All right, Lesson 4. Okay, Lesson 4 Review. F and A. All right, F and J. Okay, that's the one. Do not copy the colon because it will not save. All right. Okay, now that you save it, and if you check it here, if you check it in the File Explorer, you have it there already. Okay. Make sure you know how to use this and save, because I'll be checking your work in each computer next time. All right. So that one, you learn already how to use a keyboard, and you need more time to do typing. And now you already learn to save your achievement in Paint and in your folder, EP folder, EP4 folder. Let me remind you. Okay, number 5. Please do not do anything else on your screen. All right. Oh, it's not translating into Thai language. Sorry for that. Please do not use anything on screen without my instructions, because you will be wasting your time and effort. All right. I saw today some of you were just playing games. and you did nothing to your folder, your folder will show whether you are doing or not. Okay? So you must save it. Don't forget to save it. All right? Okay? So that's it for today. I want you to comment below right here if you need things. Okay? So I can help you right there. Comment EP4, write the comment. See you next time for your computer class. Rolly here. Funny. I'm teaching science, I'm teaching computer. Besides, I used to teach English for 20 years. And also, I'm a pastor. See you next time. Bye-bye.